So it's the end of Mardi Gras here at Alton Towers. Hi.
Yeah.
So here we are for our third day at Alton Towers. Just doing the re-rides now. And maybe get a heave-ho. Heave-ho. So here we go on Runaway Mine Train. Jackson's got his choo-choo on. Choo-choo! In the Splash Landings Hotel, we got a beautiful view of the outside area of the pool. Look at that. With the lazy river and everything. It's lovely. Our double bed.
For me.
What we do, we let Jackson give you a room view.
Hi.
Review. There you go. It's just Satin Striped single duvet. There we go. Coming up top.
Oh, look at the top.
Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to be over 6. Jackson's, yeah.
I'm going to go up there tonight.
He will go out there tonight and probably fall out of it as well. Yeah, you've got a lovely light there. There we go. Here's ironing board if you need to iron.
No.
Oh, the bathroom. No, it is a bathroom. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. There you go.
Like it, bro.
Oh, I can't get down now.
There you go, and the mirror. There you go, it's looking lovely, isn't it? Yeah, so that's Splash Landings, the beach coma room, or whatever it's called. Yeah, got a lovely view. Well chuffed with the view. He loves this ride. So here we go. There. What shouldn't they have?
No phone, no drinks, no cameras.
And don't look down.
Don't look down. No drink, no cameras, don't look down. All fine. I need some help, right? Thank you. How do I just? Let's try again.
Right, so we haven't done Hex, the Legend of the Towers, because the queue's just been too long for us. And Jackson hasn't really looked forward to it, so we're not doing that on this little trip. It's very similar to Monster House Party, but with a darker theme to it. So yeah, Jackson's got his choo-choo on today.
Choo-choo.
And he's about to go into Williams Land again and get him on the Cuckoo Driving School. There you go, it's Jackson doing his driving at Cuckoo Cars Driving School.
Choo-choo.
It's a good job they haven't got a horn on, isn't it? Right, so on Cuckoo's Cars Driving School, you need to be between 1 metre and 1.4 metres tall. So, yeah, get your kids down there before they get too tall.
You stand there and point to it, Bub. No, not put your foot on it.
There we go. We got our name on a brick down here at Alton Towers. There we go. Yeah. So we came back here in 2018. Our first visit all together, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go for the flag. The flag's over there, look.
That's where the hole is.
There we go.
Well done.
So this is Jackson's first time of crazy golf, and it's not
Can I do
frustrating at
this?
all, is it?
Just first.
Well done, Jackson! Yay, you got it in the hole. Oh, it's Naomi's turn.
Out the way, bub.
So this is Ripsaw. Oh, look at this. Oh, no way. No way, no way. Oh.
Jackson, wait, please.
Another 2. Well done. Here we go. We've got Jackson on Galactica now. Trying to hit the leather off the ball as he's going for it. Oh, so close. Yep. New style of golf. Use your feet. Use your golf club. Well done. Look at that. Foot golf. There you go. It's one way of doing it. Smash.
Touch mine, Jackson.
Here we go. So Naomi's playing really well here. She's about 6 shots in the lead. Another 2. 2 on every hole. See, this is great because it didn't cost us anything. Came free with our stay at the hotel, which is good fun. Jackson just popping his ball down the hole. Oh, he's gone for the big hole. Oh, right, that's enough now. Oh, Jackson's gone through the hole already.
Well done.
Well done. There we go. Look at this. Yeah. Little roll. There you go. He's going to roll down towards the hole. Ooh, so close. Yay! 3 goes. It took him 3 goes. So this is the flume, and the hole's on the other side. So what you need to do, you need to get the ball up into here. Or, yeah, the hole's over here. Or you can get the ball into this hole here, Jackson. So just watching Jackson. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's a very good shot. There you go. And over the grates. There you go. Go and putt it in the hole then. So you have a choice. Follow him round. Look at this. Some urgent repair work going on. There we go. Oh, you got it in the hole. Well done, Jackson. Yeah. So you get the golf free with your hotel stay. So it's called Extraordinary Golf, and it's just down here by Splash Landings, the hotel we stayed at. So, yeah, it's good. All the holes are based on rides or old rides that were, or areas that were based in Alton Towers. Yeah, good fun for all the family.
I want to play golf today.
And Jackson wants to play again. We tried. He gave it a good go, but yeah, so yeah, it comes free with hotel. It's always worth giving it a go. And that's it. We're going to say bye-bye.
Bye, love you.
Oh, thank you. There you go. There's our 3 days of highlights here at Alton Towers. We're just leaving now. Goodbye for another year.
Love you, Shirley.
So, may come back soon. You can watch the boys and girls thing.
Fun time, tell the adults. And be good.
And subscribe. And be good. Oh, that's a good one.